Alright, so welcome to my new channel, AMFX. I hope you are having a great time there, and I also very fully appreciate that you are spending your valuable time of your life here, that I have something created with my heart. So, let's start with a basic introduction of mine. And my name is Aman, and I am 20 years old. And I recently passed a funded trading challenge, like platform trading, and honestly, I'm still figuring the whole thing out that I'm not here to pretend something like billionaire or millionaire type shit, and I am not also interested in all this. And also, I'm not here to sell some Lamborghini kind of trade like come trade with me, I will help you to buy a Lamborghini or and I'm definitely not another fake guru that trying to predict market like well where the market will go, how many pips it will touch. That's like bullshit. Like, so what I do have yeah, I think it's an obsession with understanding how money actually flows, how institution operates, what is real liquidity, why many so many millions of traders are trapped out. So this channel will be my journey, not official journey. I am trading since last 1 year, but now I am profitable, so I will consider this as my new journey. I am glad that I can share however knowledge I have with all of you. Okay, so let's start. So most people think that they are poor because they don't earn enough money. Like many of us think, most of us think. I also think like that. But I am poor because I don't have earn lakhs, crores like that. Okay. So you know what? Every morning, trillions of dollars live in financial markets, while the average person is fighting for a 5% salary increment. That's not a financial problem. That's an information problem, and that's exactly why I started AMFX. Like I am here to break that barrier between the institutional pupils and normal traders like us, so we can also earn some money. Okay, all right. So let's start with our first section, the invisible tax. You all come see in the screen the invisible tax. On three sections like wage growth, inflation, and invisible tax. So you can see here the formula frame: wage growth minus inflation is equal to the invisible tax. Most people spend their life chasing salary increases, 5% raise, 10% raise, maybe even 15. Sounds great. Until inflation quietly takes its away. Like if you just Google it, like what the inflation rate, you will understand what I am talking about. You work harder, you earn more, yet somehow you feel poor. Why? Because the game was designed around understanding money. Let's move to our second block, the 7 trillion daily ocean. Like $7 trillion is a very huge amount. Like we cannot imagine that how much money is that. So now it is a fact that change how I looked at work. The forex market moves roughly $7 trillion every single day. Like in every 24 hours they move $7 trillion every single day. And while social media is busy arguing about side hustle, banks, institution funds, governments, and celebrity sports, all that blah blah. They are moving capital across the globe. Ocean of money, literally an ocean of money is flowing beneath our feet. These people never see it. So I want AMFX to teach you how to start seeing it. Like it's very necessary to see it. Financial education, this education, that education, MBA, all is good, but this is something you all must know. So now we come to the third block of our series or video, the reality of institutional order flow. And I will tell you an uncomfortable truth. Most traders aren't losing because they are lazy or they are not focusing enough, like they are not watching hundreds of YouTube videos. They are losing because they are being taught outdated ideas like cross support or resistance. Watch a few indicators like moving average, cross reversed, uh, and faith and all. Like everything works, but not in the real world. Like buying a course also failed sometime that I will feel market and hope for the best repeat. Like hope is a very bad thing in forex market or in any market. If you're trading something, never hope. If you start hoping, then market will 100% move against your hope. Less I have experienced. Okay, so the problem is not discipline. The problem is understanding who you are actually trading against because the markets are not random. like competitive. And if you don't understand where liquidity sits, you are usually the liquidity. Okay, so like liquidity is what? Liquidity means money. You put money, you are liquidity. Even if it's $1, if it's in the chain. Yeah, so let's move to our next block, the confirmation matrix. So think about it. Where does every big signal place the stop loss? Under any support, under above any resistance. Like if now imagine you are an institution managing billions. Where would you look for liquidity? The same place, like where many people have took the stop loss. Like if they hit, the market will gain some money. This is why so many traders feel like the market is hunting them, not because the market knows who they are, but because crowds behave predictably. Like if they see some equal load, they predict that it will go down, it will go up, but they don't wait enough to see the real game. Okay. So sometimes you will think that it will go up, but it doesn't go up. Like it will go up, but after the move, after the SLA, I have also faced that same thing. I have also rated any SLs back to back. So like this is our next section, shifting the paradigm. The goal of AMFX is not teach to how to predict. Like I can't teach, even I don't know how to predict all these things. My only aim is to teach you how to observe. Most people traders play a guessing game. I want to build a mechanical process, a repeatable framework, something that survives conditions, something that survives opinion, and something that survives social media noise too. Because consistency is built on systems, not motivation. You need some edge, you need some back testing, further testing, and a strategy. If you see someone on YouTube or social media that he is earning tons of money and you directly use the strategy, nothing of which you are using their brain, not yours. So let's move to our next section, the industry spectrum. Yes, like this is the most important section of this video. Mainly, I will tell this is my mission. Like all this video and all this efforts are only for this. Now let's talk about what this channel actually stands for. No fake screenshot, no rented lifestyle, no pressure tactics, no buy before binary transactions. I want to build one of the most transparent trading company communities on YouTube, a place where people can learn, challenge ideas, improve together. If you also can teach me, I can also teach you something that I know. Well, and grow together, earn some money, share some efforts too. Yes, so if I discover something useful, you will see it. If I make mistakes, you will see those too. You will learn it wrong. Like if I took some trade, a big trade, and I gave that you, and I got a sell it. But you can learn that without taking an asset. Okay, I think you're getting it. And this is my only whole mission. Like, you subscriber, another thing. Like everyone likes it, but my only thing is that people can learn something from me. Yeah, so now let's talk about my long-term vision. Like why I am here. I am not here for millions of subscribers, lakhs of views, crores of views, people shouting my name, not like that. My long-term vision is that's not trading. The vision is bigger. I want to build AMFX into a serious plan. A future ambitious people come to learn about markets, capital, business, freedom, and high performance thinking. Like when I was trying to learn markets, I never got something like I wanted. I learned it from markets from going down, 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 then suddenly going up, and suddenly going down also. Yes. So let's work on a higher, real skills, real system, real data, one brick at a time, and not overnight success. Success will take time. It will take your money sometimes. It will hurt you. It will make you quit, but don't quit it. Okay. I have also quit many times. I quit trading, uh, do something else, try anything else, but no. If you are serious about this thing, come let's join my channel. Come reach to me. I will guide you. If I can. Okay, cool. Let's come to the last section of my first YouTube video. I am very glad to stay like the last. I can't see you, but I can feel that you are learning something from me. And if I did any mistake while speaking or while presenting this, please I do forgive me because this is related to my first time coming in front of camera. I'm very shy kind of person. I don't usually come on camera and talk like about this. But I get an obsession that I must try something to teach someone and also leave an impact in this very big market. Million of people, crores of people. Okay, I can't how many people are trading at like right now, and I am making this video. Okay, so let's start the last section. And if you see the heading, the ocean is moving with or without it. Very impactful uh, heading. If you see tomorrow, I think millions of dollars will flow through exact path, exact gold, same euro USD, same New Zealand cat, same everything. GDP, JP5, all with me. You can stay comfortably and be the security, or you can dominate this market with me. Okay. So for that, subscribe and turn on notifications. Like it's a basic thing. I shouldn't mention this, but I also mentioned this for some marketing. Okay. Now, okay. So I made a pre-execution tracker on Gumroad. Okay, so please check out. It's completely free. Use it and tell me. I try to summarize my trading strategy, not completely, but some parts of it in it. And I also gave a free journal in it. So please try it. And if you get any confusion, come reach me or mail me or message me anything. How you can connect me. And let's enter under AMFX. So, okay. The desk is officially live. I will see you on the floor. And also join my Telegram channel. Okay. So, thank you.